This CENSIS partnership resulted in a new standard for automated water monitoring. With support from CENSIS, Dundee-based M2M Cloud has created a cutting-edge water monitoring technology with plans for global expansion. Water pipes cooled or heated between 20 and 50 degrees centigrade, but used infrequently, have a risk of forming harmful bacteria, including Legionella. Organisations that own or manage buildings must have a robust monitoring system in place. In 2017, Highland Council approached CENSIS to explore options to transform its manual monitoring process. Its staff regularly drove hundreds of miles to take temperature readings. This process was expensive, time-consuming, and carbon-intensive. CENSIS developed and trialled a remote system operating over an IoT network. Its success led Highland Council to tender for a wider rollout. The winner was M2M Cloud. Its system, named Neptune, involves attaching sensors to the surface of pipes to take temperature readings every 10 seconds. A building user is notified of any potential concerns and the data is displayed on a mobile dashboard. In 2022, CENSIS helped M2M Cloud design a second-generation 5G-enabled device with a longer battery life and new processing, communications, and analytics capabilities. M2M Cloud has since won several major contracts, including deployment at hundreds of rural Scottish water sites. M2M Cloud has shifted water monitoring from a carbon-intensive, resource-heavy process to one that is unobtrusive and quick to install. What's more, it's a product that is fully designed and manufactured in Scotland. CENSIS.tech